Actually, this line of code doesn't change that much on our UI, but we want to change the color of the title, so you can remove it. Go back to main.storyboard. We're going to do it manually. I wanted to show you guys. I mean, there is a way to do it, but I just can't remember it now. Or maybe I never knew. To be honest, I never knew. I think I never knew. I mean, I know how to do it with a tab bar, but maybe not with a nav controller. So click on nav controller and open this one. Click on navigation bar, and here title color, make it to white, and that's it. Once you make it to white, you want to do the same thing for this one too. Navigation bar, title color to white. Now we're going to have the effect that we were looking for. Let's wait a moment. Now we wait. Here we go. The title became white. Last videos, playlists. If you click YouTube gear white. Now don't worry about the button, we'll change it later. And now, as I told you guys, we're going to now watch these videos. So go to playlist video table view controller and click in here, make the segue from the view controller to this one. This one is the video details view controller, guys. So here the segue is going to be show video 2. Show video 2. This one is show video, simple one. This one is show video 2, name of the segue. Now we're just going to what we're going to do, we're just going to copy and paste this prepare for segue that we use here, and go back and go to playlist videos table view controller. In playlist video table view controller, you can paste it in here. Boom. And here the segue is 2, right? The segue is 2 because the segue we made was 2. And here it's not videos array but playlist videos array. So make sure you change it. And if you have changed everything like that, you need one more thing, which is table view did select row at index path and perform segue with identifier and self, because we made the segue from self, and the identifier is show video 2, and of course override keyword. And if you press play, you should be able to watch the videos of the playlist that you wanted to watch. Build and run it. Now let's just test this. If you want to watch this video, we click in here. We have the title, we have the description, and here the video will be loaded. The web view will load the video. Here we go. Now, if you go to playlist now, we have all the playlists in here. Now don't worry guys, because my connection is kind of slow, that's why it takes a lot of time. Now let's say you want to enter this playlist. Let's say you want to watch this video. You want to watch this first video, click on this first video. Video in question, this is the description for the video. Let's say you want to watch this video with Dubtech Best of 2015, and here we go. If you click, that will show the video for us. Okay, they have an advertisement. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you guys that everything was working perfectly. So now we are done with the playlist side, but something that we can change is the fact that you don't want the view to disappear like that, and this is easily fixable. So just go to playlist table view controller, and under table view here, click on the playlist cell, and playlist cell selection, instead of default, make it to known, and run it. Now when you select the playlist, this shouldn't disappear anymore. You can make that label a little bit bold if you want to. It's up to you. See my bold? It's up to you. Now if you go to history, if you click now, it shouldn't disappear anymore. Here we go guys. You can click, the UI view doesn't get all white. That's what we wanted. So we are done now with the playlist part. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial so far. As I told you guys, you see, if the channel all as only like HD video, you will always get the HD videos in your app. This is through the technique that I've showed you in here. This technique, for example, this technique to check for the best resolution always. So guys, I always want to give you the best for your money, because I know that you guys have paid for this tutorial. So in the next video, I will show you guys how we can make the channel. See you guys.